Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we're diving into the world of contour drawing, an essential foundation in the journey of learning how to draw from observation. Now, what exactly is a contour drawing? Simply put, it's a clean outline of the subject you're working with. Imagine you're setting up a small, still life arrangement, perhaps a few everyday objects placed together. A contour drawing captures the outer edges and major visible lines of that entire composition. Think of it as tracing the shape of each object with your eyes and recording it with your pencil without getting caught up in the finer details just yet. You might have come across the word contour in geography, like contour lines on a map that define elevations and terrain. In art, the concept is quite similar. Contour drawing maps the shape of your subject, helping you understand its boundaries and form. Now, before we begin the actual contour drawing, there's one important step we must not skip is gesture drawing. Like we learned in our previous tutorial, we follow same steps for gesture. If you're working digitally, this becomes quite convenient. You can draw your gesture on one layer, reduce the opacity, and then create a new layer on top for your contour lines. This keeps your base drawing visible but subtle, helping guide your clean line work above it. But if you're using traditional tools, don't worry. Yeah, you can sketch your gesture using a light colored pencil or a hard graphite pencil like an H, 2H, or HB. These pencils make faint lines that won't overpower your contour. Once your gesture is ready, switch to a softer, darker pencil like a 2B or 4B to build your final contours with confidence. Alright, let's begin our contour drawing. Start by defining the outer edges and major shapes. Focus first on the primary contours, like the boundaries of the object's form. Let your eyes stay on the subject, don't rush. As you observe, allow your pencil to follow what you see, not what you think the object should look like. Don't worry about making a perfect line on the first go. It's okay to erase, adjust, or even restart a section if needed. Let your hand respond to your observation. Avoid drawing from memory or assumption. Stay present with the object in front of you. As you go, try to preserve the energy and flow from your gesture drawing, even while refining with more deliberate, accurate lines. Use light pressure as you begin, and gradually darken the lines as you gain confidence in your contours. At this point, I've completed my contour drawing. The goal of today's lesson was to show you how a clean contour drawing develops from a gesture sketch. You've now seen how the two stages work together, the loose expressive foundation of gesture supporting the more defined and structured line work of the contour. I hope this process was clear and easy to follow, and more importantly, that it encourages you to try this method yourself. In our next lesson, we'll be applying this same approach to a new object, starting with gesture and then building up to a finished contour drawing step by step. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.